In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your eNotary profile on DocuSign. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just looking to expand your notary services, this guide will walk you through the setup process, ensuring you can get up and running smoothly. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to head over to your DocuSign dashboard. Once you're there, take a moment to locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will give you access to a menu. From this menu, you'll want to select My Preferences. This section is where you can customize various DocuSign settings to suit your specific needs. Once you've entered the Preferences area, look to the left-hand panel and you'll see an option labeled Notary Profile. Clicking on Notary Profile will take you to the dedicated section for notaries within DocuSign. Here, you can start setting up your eNotary profile, which is an essential step for anyone looking to offer notary services through this platform. In this Notary Profile section, you will see an option to create jurisdiction. This is an important step, as it allows you to define the areas where you are authorized to perform notarial acts. Click on Create Jurisdiction to begin the setup process. Once you've started to create a jurisdiction, you'll need to provide some specific information. First, enter your state jurisdiction. This is the state in which you're authorized to act as a notary. Next, provide your name and the county in which you operate. These details are crucial because your notarial acts are generally limited to specific geographic areas. Additionally, you'll be asked to enter your commission ID. This number is issued by your state and serves as an official identifier for your notary commission. Along with this, you'll need to input your commission expiration date. Keeping track of this date is essential, as it determines the current validity of your authority to act as a notary. After you've carefully entered all the required information, give everything a double check to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident that all details are correct, click the Save button. This action will store your jurisdiction information in your DocuSign profile, officially setting up your eNotary capabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully created your eNotary profile on DocuSign. By following these steps, you're now ready to start offering notarial services electronically, expanding your professional reach and convenience. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions.